One of the really important parts of fitting the cavity sliding door kit is the seal that actually fits to the face of the back of the door. It has to be able to slide into the cavity. So the gap here has to be big enough for that to slide in. And you can see that the gap there is okay, but if we go down to the bottom here, there really isn't enough gap. So this is when we have to move the guides at the bottom. All cavity sliding doors have guides at the bottom, one on each side usually, but often they're one piece, sometimes they're two pieces. So they're normally screwed on, so you can unscrew the guide, and which I've done here, and you can see that I can move the door because there's more gap on my side than there is on that side. So I can actually move the door across and open up the gap on that side. Now the other thing is, the guide that I've got here is one piece. So it goes underneath the door and comes up the other side. That's not really great for fitting the cavity sliding kit, because when we fit the bottom seal here, it has to slide into the cavity, and this guide's actually going to get in the way of it. So we really have to spread the guides out a little bit. So to do that, we have to cut the bottom of the guide. Now if yours is on a hard floor, usually these guides are plastic. And so it's pretty easy to unscrew them, take them off, and just cut the plastic on the side that you're treating. Then you can put the guide back on, and you can fit the guide on the side that you're not treating first, so that you've got enough room on the other side. After we fit the bottom seal, we can fit that guide back on as well. So that's very important to make sure that the guides at the bottom are appropriate so that we can fit our seals on.